This is the brief on recent developments in the automotive industry and its global supply chain. Today, we're looking at 3 official updates regarding sales milestones, international ride-hailing partnerships, and domestic manufacturing expansions connected to the auto sector to help you understand the current operational landscape. First, BMW China announced that cumulative BMW 3 Series sales in China just surpassed 2 million units. Looking ahead, BMW China stated the Neue-Klasse BMW i3 will make its full debut at the 2026 Chengdu Motor Show. Featuring a new design language, driver-focused human-machine interaction, BMW intelligent driving assistance, and next-generation electric drive technology. Now, you might be wondering, how are new energy vehicles integrating into global mobility platforms? Well, second, DiDi's Brazilian platform 99 signed an agreement with the Brazilian car rental company Movida. You see, DiDi's Brazilian platform 99 and Movida will offer discounted vehicle rentals, including new energy vehicles, to drivers on the 99 platform. Expected to benefit at least 50,000 drivers over 3 years, this program reduces vehicle rental costs by approximately 25%. DiDi's Brazilian platform 99 helps expand Movida's rental services among platform drivers to encourage adoption and support the green transition of Brazil's mobility sector. So, what kind of back-end technology and manufacturing infrastructure supports these expanding global automotive networks? Finally, Versigent officially opened a new R&D center and factory in Wuhan. Serving Chinese automakers, this nearly 70,000 square meter site targets an annual capacity of about 650,000 sets. Versigent's R&D center starts with over 180 employees, expecting to expand to 600 over 4 years, focusing on electrical and electronic architecture and connectivity. To optimize output, Versigent's factory utilizes an intelligent scheduling model, literally reducing weekly wire-cutting production plan preparation from 30 hours to under 1 hour, improving efficiency for high-mix, low-volume orders by more than 90%.